This is Joe the Farmer, and welcome to Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keisha. Today, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of things, but first thing I'm going to do is I've noticed that a lot of my peppers have not really done well, so we're going to plant some more in this empty space that I have right here. I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. I've made about, I think I got seven spots for them, and I counted my seeds. I think I got 19 seeds. So we're going to try to put about 3 in every little spot and see what comes up. But let me adjust the camera and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the area right there. Right down here is, I've got my seeds already laid out. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. I've already put some Miracle-Gro plant food in there. This particular soil has fertilizer already in it, so it should give the peppers the best chance to sprout. So we're just going to go ahead on and plant them and water them, and then we'll move on to the rest of the things I want to update you on. I'm going to give them a really good soaking because it's almost mid-morning and the sun is starting to heat up a little bit, so I want them to have a little extra moisture, extra water. So there you have it, guys. I planted 7 little spots, got 3 seeds in most of them. I think the last 2 there was only 2 seeds, so we're going to see what happens. I think I've given them the best chance to sprout because we want to have plenty of peppers to be able to use and show you all the great things we're going to do with everything that we're growing out here. So let me show you some of the other developments. The chicks, I think I got some pictures. I'll probably post them along with this video when I post this on Facebook. But if you're watching it on YouTube, you'll probably have to go to my page, JL Bunbury, and then you can check out the photos on the chicks. But let me just take the camera and show you what else has been happening. All right, go over here to the chicken coop. As you can see, the ladies are really growing. This morning, 2 of them were on the roost. So we're helping they'll all learn to do that. And let me stop it right here, and then I'll show you the rest. Well, no, we'll just keep going. As you can see, tomato plants are growing really good. Some more peppers. I did have one problem, guys. This particular tomato plant, you see, it has almost no leaves on it. It started developing these brown spots on the leaves, and when I looked it up, what that was, it was a type of mold. And so I'm hoping this particular branch didn't have any of it on it. I'm hoping that it will recover, but we're not sure if it will. So we got 5 out of 6 right now, but hopefully this one will hold on. But this is a really bad angle. Come over here so you can see. We got tomatoes. And there were some other ones right over here. So they're starting to sprout, and you can see they're starting to flower. So we're gonna have some tomatoes here in a little while. And our green beans are doing really well. The squash is growing pretty good. I planted over here. There's a couple of rows, a couple of spots for carrots, and then there's going to be some chives over here. Corn is doing well, and as always, the onions and potatoes are doing their thing. So, you know, I just wanted to share what's going on in the garden and with the chickens and everything. We appreciate everybody who has subscribed. If this is your first time checking us out, please go to Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Kisa. Make sure you hit that like button. It always helps with the algorithm. Our goal, guys, is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we have our new videos. And again, you know, we planted us some peppers. Hopefully we're going to get some peppers coming looking like this. This is not an endorsement. I use Miracle-Gro. There are all kinds of products out there. I use this potting soil. I got it from Family Dollar. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to make this thing viable. But remember this, you know, when you plant a garden, it gives you 10 times, almost 50 times what you put into it. And it's not just in regards to the food that you produce, but it's the peace, it's the purpose that you will feel behind it. It's almost a spiritual thing, but I'm not trying to get too deep. Remember, you can change anything in your life. There's 3 components to change. The first thing is you make a decision. The second thing is you make a commitment. The last thing is you become consistent. Because if you are consistent to your commitment, to your decision, you will change. All right, this is Farmer Joe signing off. Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Kisa. Later.